Today we are going to be reviewing this Clean Force 1800 power washer. I got it on offer up for like $50. So we're going to use the VO7 car soap from Chemical Guys. We got a $20 foam cannon from Walmart. We're going to foam up this car. Should be easy. We're going to clean this wheel with the pressure washer. We are not going to brush it. The reason for it is we're going to test out the pressure washer. But we are going to spray it with the Chemical Guys wheel cleaner. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but the wheels are plastic dip. I've never seen the plastic dip shine like this in a long time. Let me see if I can get in the camera for you guys. It looks better than we ever see, even though we brush it, but we didn't brush it, but it looks really good. Feels really thick. You can see, like, she's thick. Really thick. You can see it on the ground. It's thick. I know what you guys thinking. I feel like it's kind of like that thick. See, it's like creamy. result looks really amazing. Look at that shine. You can see the reflection. You can see that. We did all the steps. Everything came out okay. Came out as planned. Now is our final step for today. We are going to use Chemical Guys V07 Quick Detailer, as this one you see here. It's come as a better result. See, this is the product we use from Chemical Guys. Tire plus trim gel. This is the 50-50 of it. You guys can see, this is like the dry part. Starting getting really wet over here. Let it sit for at least like 20 minutes. How soon? You know, you don't want it to spin off and go to the paint. Looks pretty good for the price. As you can see, the result speaks for themselves. You can see the tree, you can see the clouds right here on the reflection. At the beginning of the video, you guys see how flimsy was the foam cannon from Walmart. It went all over the place. It was good and terrible. It was decent foam cannon. Got the job done. It looks really amazing. If you guys have any questions about the products, please comment. If you guys want us to test our products, let us know. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and thank you for watching.